Welcome back to Borrowed Time Garage. Feast your eyes on a 4.9-inch center section. 46 gears. I don't know about those gears. I'm going to have to buy different ones. But 31 spline spool. Good housing. For this 4.9-inch car housing, which I think is the same measurement as a Maverick, maybe? I forget. Anyway, this is a way to move forward. We stick this in that. I order new axles for this, and then we buy a funky rim to try and make that big tire fit. Easy peasy. Yeah, right. We'll see. I'm on the hunt for a truck housing. Fitzy's Fabrication. You take that. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, not really. Let's go this way. I believe that's a car housing with small ends on where the bearing mounts. So it didn't match up to the pickup rear end that I had. Oh, Fitzy there on Fitzy's Fabrications, he took a truck housing, cut the tubes, and the truck tubes fit right over the car tubes. Imagine that. And then you can just make your own. You sleeve it and weld it with your MIG. I'm on a mission. First thing, am I upside down? No. Okay. First thing, do some work identifying what this housing is. And if it is a car housing, which I think it is, hunt down an F-150 9-inch housing, cut those tubes off, cut the ends off of this, slide them over, sleeve it in the desired length, and weld it up. Pretty simple. Yeah, it's almost that simple. Anyway, that's it. I went on a little roundabout tour, so I didn't do much on the car in the last little bit, but I did hunt down this part. So, Richmond gear, 31 spline spool, 9-inch housing. Not hard to change a gear set. I've done it before. So I don't think 486 is going to work for me. We'll do some numbers. Anyways, not much of an update. But that's it. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Get some comments going, people. Tell me what you think. Gear ratio wrong? Probably for a 400 horse engine. You know, 2,500 pound car. You tell me what you think. So, yeah, that's it for now. Maybe we'll have something on Borrowed Time this week with this center section test, see how it fits. Go from there. Make some measurements. Order some axles maybe, or just hold off and try and find that housing, shorten it up, and then buy the axles to fit. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Ciao for now.